Good morning, students. Today we will see present tense. As we all know, there are four types of present tense: simple present tense, or you can say present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and at last present perfect continuous tense. So at first we will see simple present tense. Here we have four structures of simple present tense. At first, structure of simple present affirmative, after that simple present negative, after that simple present interrogative, and then simple present negative interrogative. So at first we will see the structure of simple present affirmative. The structure is subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus object. As we all know, we use V1 with I, you and plural subject, and V5 with singular subject. Examples are she goes to school daily. Here subject is singular, that's why we will use V5. Next, I play cricket. Here subject is I, that's why we will use V1. And next example is children like chocolates. Here the subject is plural, that's why we will use V1. So these are the example of simple present affirmative. Once again, the structure subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus object. This is the structure of simple present affirmative. Next is simple present negative. The structure is subject plus do oblique does plus not plus V1 plus object. As we all know, we use do with I, you and plural subject, and does with singular subject. One more, we always use V1 with do, did and does. Okay. Once again, we always use V1 with do, did and does. So our structure is structure of simple present negative. She does not go to school daily. Next, I do not play cricket. Children do not like chocolates. Here she, that's why subject is she, that's why we will use does. As she is singular. Here subject is I, then we will use do, and here subject is plural, that's why we will use do. Next is simple present interrogative. The structure is do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. So the examples are does she go to school daily? Does she go to school daily? Here the subject is she, and here we have used does, that's why we will use first form of verb. Next, do I play cricket? Do children like chocolates? So here children, it is plural subject, that's why we will use do, and if there is do, then we will use V1. Once again, we always use V1 with do, did and does. Next, simple present negative interrogative. Do oblique does plus not plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव में क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे नॉट भी लगेगा, सेंटेंस हमारा नेगेटिव भी होगा और इंट्रोगेटिव भी होगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डजंट शी गो टू स्कूल डेली? डजंट शी गो टू स्कूल डेली. नेक्स्ट, डोंट आई प्ले क्रिकेट? डोंट चिल्ड्रेन like don't children like chocolates? So they are the example of simple present negative interrogative. Okay, next is present continuous tense. Here also we have four structures: present continuous affirmative, subject plus is am are plus V4 plus object. This is the structure of present continuous affirmative. We use is with singular, am with I and are with plural subject. Now example of present continuous affirmative is she is going to school, I am playing cricket, they are watching movie. Next is present continuous negative. Then we will use not just after helping verb. The structure is subject plus is am are plus not plus V4 plus object. And examples are she is not going to school, I am not playing cricket, they are not watching movie. Here to make sentence into negative we will use not just after helping verb. What is helping verb here? Is am are. ओके और जहाँ पे सेंटेंस में अगर हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है और सेंटेंस को निगेटिव बनाना हो, देन व्हाट डू वी यूज डू, डिड और डज. तब हम लोग डू, डिड या डज का यूज करेंगे. इफ द सेंटेंस इज प्रेजेंट देन वी विल यूज डू, डज, एंड इफ द सेंटेंस इज पास्ट देन वी विल यूज डिड. नेक्स्ट, Present continuous interrogative. Structure is am are plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. Is she going to school? Am I playing cricket? Are they watching movie? So this is the example of present continuous interrogative. And next type of present continuous tense, the fourth type of present continuous tense is present continuous negative interrogative, and the structure is am are plus not plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. And the examples are, isn't she going to school? Now we will see, am I not playing cricket or aren't I playing cricket? Short form of am not becomes aren't. ओके, am not का शॉर्ट फॉर्म aren't होगा, या हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं am I not. ये सिर्फ am के साथ ऐसा करते हैं हम, ओके, कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद सब्जेक्ट लगा है, उसके बाद नॉट लगा है. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ am के साथ होता है. अदरवाइज दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. am I not playing cricket or aren't I playing cricket? Next, aren't they watching movie? Okay, so these are the examples of present continuous negative interrogative. Next, this is important point. See here, we always use short forms. We always use short forms like isn't, aren't, don't, doesn't, haven't, hasn't, didn't, couldn't, shouldn't, etc. in negative interrogative. Negative interrogative में हमेशा short forms ही use होता है. Okay, like see here, aren't they watching movie? यहाँ पे ये नहीं है ना कि are not they watching movie. No, negative interrogative है तो हम short form means are not का what is the short form of are not, aren't, then we will use aren't they watching movie. One more here, negative interrogative example we will see. See here, don't children like chocolates? Don't I play cricket? Doesn't she go to school daily? Here also you can see short form is being used. Short form doesn't, don't. Okay, so here also short form isn't, aren't. Okay, next, for example of present continuous negative interrogative is, don't you like sweets? Aren't they playing together? Wasn't she playing yesterday? Isn't she going to the party? Here we have seen. Okay, यहाँ पे जैसा कि नोट में दिया हुआ है कि नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव में हमेशा शॉर्ट फॉर्म से यूज होता है. ओके, सो हियर द एग्जांपल इज गिवन. हियर यू कैन सी डोंट शॉर्ट फॉर्म, aren't short form, wasn't short form, isn't short form. So this is example of, these are the example of negative interrogative. Next is present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect affirmative is subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. Okay, for example, she has written a letter. I have brought a pen. She has gone to Patna market. She has gone to Patna market. Once again, let me tell you, we always use V3 with has, have or had. Here one thing is important, let me tell you. See here, we always use V3 with has, have and had. V3 के साथ हमेशा has, have और had का V3 के साथ हमेशा has, have और had का यूज़ होता है. और you can say कि has, have और had के साथ हमेशा V3 का यूज़ होता है. बट लेकिन if there is been, लेकिन अगर been है वहाँ पे, like has been, have been, had been. Okay, after has, have और had, अगर if there is been आफ्टर हैज़, हैव और हैड, अगर हैज़, हैव और हैड के ठीक बाद बिन है, देन वी यूज V4. ओके, वंस अगेन वी ऑलवेज यूज V3 विथ हैज़, हैव और हैड. हैज़, हैव और हैड के साथ V3 लगता है, लेकिन कब? जब ये अलोन आए. ओके, लेकिन ये बिन को लेकर आए, लाइक हैज़ बिन, हैव बिन, हैड बिन, देन वी यूज V4. नाउ लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल्स. First, I have completed my work. She has gone to school. Radha has washed utensils. Here completed, gone and washed is in third form of verb. यहाँ पे ये single आया है have, has और had. That's why here we have used V3 form of verb. Okay, completed, gone, washed. Now we will see, she has been waiting for her mother for 2 hours. शी हैज़ बीन वेटिंग, हैज़ बीन यहाँ पे हैज़ के साथ बीन आ गया, दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज्ड V4. ओके, वेटिंग ING. नेक्स्ट, दे हैव बीन वर्किंग इन दिस ऑफिस सिंस 2018. दे हैव बीन, हियर बीन इज यूज्ड जस्ट आफ्टर हैव, दैट्स वाई वी विल यूज V4. नेक्स्ट इज Ram had been studying since morning. Once again here we will see had, just after had been is placed here, that's why we will use V4. So here waiting, walking and studying are the fourth form of verb. Okay, तो once again यहाँ पे अगर हैज़ हैव और हैड अलोन आए तो V3 लगता है, और अगर ये बिन के साथ आए then we use V4. So now we will see present perfect negative. The structure of present perfect negative is subject plus has have plus not plus V3 plus object. Okay, so examples are she has not written a letter, I have not brought a pen, she has not gone to Patna market. One thing let me tell you again, जब भी हम निगेटिव बनाते हैं तो निगेटिव जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब के ठीक बाद लगता है. ओके, तो व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर, हैज़ हैव, और उसके तुरंत बाद नॉट लगेगा. निगेटिव बनाने के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद ही हम लोग नॉट लगाते हैं. हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी प्रेजेंट या प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस निगेटिव. हियर से हियर यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज MR, तो इसके तुरंत बाद नॉट लगा. ठीक है, निगेटिव बनाने के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तुरंत बाद नॉट लगाते हैं. गॉट इट. एंड अगर हेल्पिंग वर्ब है ही नहीं, लाइक हियर सिंपल प्रेजेंट, देयर इज नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ठीक है ना, यहाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, तब यहाँ पे डू और डज लगा के नॉट लगाएंगे. ओके, और डू डज लग गया तो फिर V1 लगेगा. गॉट इट. और अगर सिंपल पास्ट होगा देन वी विल यूज डिड. यहाँ प्रेजेंट है तो डू डज लगा दिए, एंड इफ देयर विल बी सिंपल पास्ट देन वी विल यूज डिड. ओके, तो वो पास्ट जब देखेंगे तब देखेंगे. Now we will see present perfect interrogative. The structure is has have plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. And the examples are had she written a letter, have I brought a pen, has he gone to Patna market. So these are the examples of present perfect interrogative. I don't think there is any problem. Now we will see present perfect negative interrogative. And the structure is has oblique have plus not plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. Okay, now once again short form. अब negative interrogative आ गया तो short form लगेगा, like hasn't she written a letter, haven't they brought a pen, hasn't she gone to Patna market. और चूंकि has है have है तो फिर of course we will use V3, written, brought, gone. Now last type of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. And the first one is present perfect continuous affirmative. The structure is subject plus has have plus been plus V4 plus object plus for oblique since plus time. Now this is examples are she has been reading a novel since morning. She has been. Now see here, she has, यहाँ पे has been आ गया then we will use V4. यहाँ पे has been आ गया तो V4 लगेगा. Again it has been raining since last Monday, तो यहाँ again has been आ गया तो V4. गुड़िया has been singing a song for an hour, again has been आ गया तो V4 लगेगा. Next, present perfect continuous negative. Okay, she subject plus has have plus not, again helping verb के बाद not लगाएंगे, plus been plus V4 plus object plus for oblique since plus time. She has not been reading a novel since morning. It has not been raining since last Monday. Gudiya has not been singing a song for an hour. Next is present perfect continuous interrogative. Again interrogative में करने के लिए helping verb को आगे कर देते हैं. Has have plus subject plus been plus V4 plus object plus for oblique since plus time plus question mark. Next example, had she been reading a novel since morning? Has it been raining since last Monday? Has Gudiya been singing a song for an hour? So these were the example of present perfect continuous. Once again helping verb आगे रहेगा. Okay, after that subject plus been, यहाँ पे been आ गया, has have के साथ been है, then we will use V4. Okay. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव वी विल सी, एंड इफ दिस नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव तो फिर शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स यूज करेंगे. हैज एफ, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर. हैज एफ प्लस नॉट प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस V4 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस ऑब्लिक 4 प्लस टाइम प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. The examples are, hasn't she been reading a novel since morning? Hasn't it been raining since last Monday? Hasn't Gudiya been singing a song for an hour? So these were the examples of present perfect continuous negative interrogative. नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव में क्या करेंगे, हैज़ हैव के साथ नॉट लगेगा, और नॉट लगा तो शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे. आफ्टर दैट सब्जेक्ट बीन आ गया, हैज़ हैव के साथ बीन आ गया तो फिर V4 यूज़ होगा. ओके, एंड रेस्ट इज क्लियर.